Okay, here we are with CCleaner Free Edition. You can see in the top here I'm using a preview version of Windows 10. I'm running a July or June 2016 build, and we'll run through this and show you that this is working just fine. So this program comes in with 4 different sections: the cleaner, which is just clearing up free space and getting rid of junk; the registry cleaner. The tools section, which allows you to uninstall programs that are stuck sometimes, clear out your start menu and your scheduled tasks. The disk analyzer that'll let you see what's using up all your space. Duplicate finder, same thing. System restore tool just shows you what your system restores are. I just did an update, so my system restores are not there. There's an update being another build of Windows 10. And a drive wiper if you want to blow it out. So you can see here there's lots of data there, lots of options. And this options section is just really about keep track of what your settings and trying to say about the full version. The full version doesn't give you a whole lot. It's your DNS cache and error reporting and the things that are grayed out on the screen. You can see this is not for most people a big deal. I don't want the free version. I don't want the full version. If you gave it to me, I wouldn't use it. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Okay, so let's go and give this a quick run. So I'm going to click on Analyze for this window stuff, and it's going to grind through. Alright, so you can see this is finished. That took, on my computer, which is fairly powerful, it's 1 generation old i7, but it's a laptop, it's mobile, so it's not that great. You can see here, this is the stuff it's things it can get rid of. I can go in here and I can click Run Cleaner at the bottom right here. You can see at the top it says details of the file, no files to be deleted, no files have been deleted yet. So that analyzed just went through and took a look at everything. I'm not going to do that because I just don't want to at this point. I can click on the Applications tab and I could run Analyze again and it would run through all of these things. Well, actually, sorry, I can see it's already done that. Sorry about that. All right, let's go off to the registry. So the registry is the same thing. I'm going to scan for issues, and it's just going to find a whole bunch of junk that's just entries that are pointing at things that don't exist anymore. So let's wait for that to finish out. There we go, that actually finished incredibly quickly. That took probably about a minute in my case. And you can see here, it's just a whole bunch of junk. I could clear this off, but I'm, again, not going to at this point. Let's go off to Tools, and we'll just go through this again. Uninstall, this is handy if you've got something that you want to dump. You can just click on it and get rid of it. Same as programs and features. There's a difference between uninstall and delete here, and the delete may be handy. It'll just strip it out of the registry for you, so it doesn't show. Startup, this is really handy. This shows you the programs that are running in the background. If you're like most people, you'll have a huge list. I hate having a large list of things, so I don't like things starting up automatically, so I have this cleared. I only have a few things here, which is not much. Scheduled tasks, not a whole lot. And context menu. Now the advantage of this over, say, a tool like msconfig is instead of clicking disable, I can delete. Now what this will do is just go into the registry and actually delete it from, in this case, the HKey current user run or HKey local machine. I believe the path at the top of my head is HKey local machine. Software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, and then skip down to the run and run once keys. But at any rate, this will do it for you, so you don't have to know that. Browser plugins just shows you what's running, what's not. Again, I can disable them. I can come over to the right-hand side here and gun them. It would have picked up Edge for me because that's what I'm using primarily, but I have it open right now and can't close it, so it's only looking at Chrome, which I don't have, I don't use, and Internet Explorer. Disk Analyzer I'm not going to bother with, but it's a really great tool to go through and just find everything that's large and clear out the, then you can go through and get rid of your stuff that is chewing up extra space. Duplicate finder, same thing. Just go get rid of the dupes, right? I would suggest, having used many of these in the past, that you set this file size to larger than, say, 1 meg. You know, text files and things that are smaller than 1 meg might be junky, but they're not exactly taking up a lot of space. So I'd set this to 1 or 2 meg, and you're even larger, just get rid of, well, maybe 1 meg. So if it's under a meg, I wouldn't worry about it. That's a personal choice. System restore, again, I usually have something. You normally have something here, but I don't. Drive wipe, I can go through and I can have it, you know, toast the entire disk if I want. Again, in my case, I don't want, because I'm, you know, using the machine, so that's a problem, or that's a good reason not to do that. And anyway, that's our brief review of CCleaner. I hope you like it. Please see www.uartech.ca. Thank you. Bye bye.